I mean, the way you reacted at the doctor's office was totally uncalled.
Henry, this is 3 years. 3 good years of our marriage. Haven't I been sleeping with you? I have been sleeping with you. I've given you different kinds of sex positions that I know. Yes, nothing to show for it. And you dare say that I overreacted?
The doctor said I'm fine. And that my reproductive organs are fine. So, calm down.
Really? Henry, do I look 12 to you? Do I? The test results clearly stated that you have little or no chances of making me pregnant. And you stand there to say the doctor said what? He said what?
He gave me some drugs, which I'm willing to take. Give me a little time. Trust me, I will make you a mother, okay?
You knew all this, why, Henry? Yet you hid it from me. What did I ever do to you? What? Haven't I been a good wife to you? Have I not showered you with so much love and affection? My parents calls me every now and then. They call me and I keep declining their calls. Why? Because I am tired of answering questions. I am tired of answering their questions as to why I'm not giving. Don't touch me. Maybe getting married to you was a mistake. A big mistake.
I feel good. Feel good. Pam pam. Feel good. Baby, why are you moody? Today is a good day. Cheer up.
Like you care. Please, I want to be left alone.
Come on. Listen, I have a surprise for you. Just follow me outside.
I'm not interested.
Come on. Stop, job. Come. Trust me, you will like what I want to show you. Come. I feel good. Baby, come now, okay? Can you just come? Okay, please come. Baby, come down. It's still me. I feel good.
Surprise! Congratulations, Mandy. It's beautiful.
What's going on here?
Baby, it's our 3rd year anniversary. So I decided to gift you this car.
It's beautiful.
Really beautiful. Our 3rd year anniversary.
Yes, it's our 30th anniversary, so I decided to get you this beautiful car.
And you got me a car.
Mm-hmm.
Did you ask me what I wanted for a gift before buying me a car?
Babe, why is your face like this? Don't you like the color?
Henry, what is wrong with you? What? I don't need a car! Henry, make me pregnant! The only thing that matters to me right now is to have my own children! I want to have a baby! I want your car! What rubbish! Mandy! Hold on! So sorry. Mandy! Mandy, hold on. Mandy. What? What just happened? Mandy! I expected more from you. What do you mean by what just happened out there? Were you not there? Mandy, your husband just gifted you a car. And all you could do was just trash the key on the floor as if it was nothing. There is something more important than a car. Something more satisfying than having wealth all over the world. That is what I want.
A child, right?
Do well to remind my husband of it. That's the only thing I want now.
Mandy, you need to calm down. Right? You have your own kids. In due time, you have children. Not this. This doesn't fit you.
You're not making sense to me. Of course you won't understand.
Of course, I do understand. I'm a woman, obviously.
You are not a complete woman, Tracy. You are not yet a complete woman. So you have no idea of how I feel. You don't.
Really?
Yes, really. Wow. Get married first. Be recognized as a wife. And when you come with this advice of when the right time comes, you have your own kids, I will gladly listen to you. Rubbish.
Please, your key.
This is... What just happened? I don't just know. I got my wife a beautiful car on our anniversary day, and it's now a problem. I don't get it.
But then, do you think she will have a change of heart?
I don't think so. I'm selling this car, and that's on period. That's the only alternative. I'm selling this car.
What is wrong? Please. Wait. Stop. Babe. What is it? Babe, what is wrong? Just a while ago, we were all happy inside. And then you ran after Mandy and came out angry. Now you want to drive home without me. Babe, what is wrong?
Larry, you stabilized your intention when you engaged me. And that was the most happiest moment of my life. What is going on?
Look, babe, nothing has changed. It's a promise I intend to keep.
Let's go deep. I am tired of waiting.
What are you aiming at?
Babe, what I want us to get married. I want us to get married. Let's do the traditional marriage. White wedding. Court marriage. I am sick and tired of waiting.
Come on, you know, if I was able to do this, I would have done it a long time ago. You know this. Why are you making it difficult?
I am tired. Can't you get it? I said I'm tired.
Wait. Where is all this coming from all of a sudden?
It doesn't matter.
It does. Need I remind you of the agreement we had, which you affirmatively assented to? So what are you saying?
Like I said, I am tired. I am sick and tired of being single. You have literally made me Lord of the Ring. What is all this?
Babe, come on. My promotion is just going to come before the end of the year. It's almost close. Before the end of the year.
What promotion? No, make it make sense. What promotion? Promotion you're not even sure if your name will be shortlisted. And because of this same promotion, you have kept me waiting. I am tired. I am tired, babe. I'm tired. Can't you see? I am tired. I am tired.
Tracy, I get your point. I know you can be able to single-handedly sponsor this wedding. I know. But you just have to understand that I am the man here. I want to sponsor my own wedding. Tracy, come on. The promotion will come. And then I will have a pay rise. And all this will be sorted. I will give you a befitting wedding for our class. Just understand, please.
Babe, I love you. You know so well that I am in love with you. I love you dearly. And I can even feed this bill. Yes! We can get married. I can't keep on waiting. I'm tired.
Honey? Is everything alright? Your friend left in anger. I mean Tracy. Babe. Babe. Ta-da! Where my beautiful baby? Baby, guess what? I bought you this beautiful flower from the best flower shop in town. The name is Zebra Flower. It smells nice.
You got me a flower.
Yes.
What am I supposed to do with it?
Mandy, be romantic for once. I'm just trying to spice up this marriage.
With ordinary flower. I'll show you how to be romantic.
Come on.
Let me sit down. Make love to your wife. Henry, get your wife pregnant.
Please, I'm not in the mood for this. You can't force a man into making love. I'm not in the mood.
Henry, I want to have my own baby. I want to have my child. Make love to me, please.
Excuse me. This is not how people make love. What are you doing?
Henry, listen. Any style you want, I'm ready to give you. If you want doggy style, I'll give you. If you want monkey style, any style you want, I am ready to give you.
Disappointed.
Henry, listen.
Can I drink water?
Henry! Henry!
Babe, what is going on? Why is my breakfast not served? Come on, you know I'm running late for work. Tracy, I'm talking to you. You've been up since 5 a.m. What were you doing?
Larry, you have no right whatsoever to order me around. Whatever thing I want to do in this house, that I will do. Do you understand me?
This is a joke, right?
I mean every word you just heard. Every word, every bit of words you just heard.
Tracy, you've broken the promise you made to me to always be submissive. You know that.
Larry, I did not break any promise. You don't even trust me, not even a bit.
Oh, I get it. It's because of the wedding, right?
Oh, yes. It is because of the wedding, Larry. You apparently think that I don't love you and I don't trust you. And that is not nice.
Tracy, this is not the plan. I will say it repeatedly. This is not the plan.
Time changes. Things changes. And I am fed up. I am tired.
You're tired. So now I'm a burden. You're telling me that you're tired of me. Of course, you're thinking of me as a burden.
Something much heavier than that. The last time we went to Mandy's house, you saw how my mood was. I came back all moody because of the things Mandy said to me. Mandy called me an incomplete woman.
An incomplete woman?
Exactly!
But why?
I have a man, but I am not married. Larry, I'm not married. You needed to see the way she made mockery of me. She embarrassed me. Calling me an incomplete woman that I need to get married first before I can advise her. And all this is because of you, Larry. Please. I'm not just in a good mood. And I am going through a lot. So if you don't have anything to do, kindly pick your bag and go to work. I need space. Can you go to work? Are you going or do you want me to leave? You have a duty to perform in your marital. Marital responsibilities comes before everything else.
Not today. If I don't get to my office in the next 30 minutes, things will spoil. So please.
Henry, our marriage is at stake without children.
Should I abandon my business that took blood and water to build? You know how many years of hard work it took me to set up that business?
You are the problem. Yes, you are the problem, Henry.
We need children, but let me strike a balance so that this wouldn't affect this or this affecting this.
Sometimes I wonder the kind of man that I got married to. What is marriage without kids?
Must
Henry.
we do this every morning? Not today, please.
Henry, it's up to you to fix it. It's your problem. Yes. Every time, the only thing you care about is work. Work! Work! I've told you, stop overworking yourself, but you won't listen.
What's that key on your hand?
Is
you
the door
locked
key?
the door on me?
Yes, I locked the door on you. You are not going anywhere till you get me pregnant.
Oh, baby, listen. You are right. I know we need to raise kids. But give me a little time, okay? I wouldn't want raising kids to affect my business. So please calm down.
Oh, really? I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am not going to open that door. Never. No this and no peace. I will not open the door. I won't open the door. To marry him and you said no. Get me pregnant. You said no. Let's have kids in this house.
God's time is the best. There's time for everything.
Where did you get that key from? Harry!
This is just a reminder that this is my house.
Okay, no problem! I have accepted my fate in this house, but I will not give up. You will come back and meet me in this house.
Whose fault?
Harry, you will come back and meet me in this house.
Is it my fault? I want to know. Why won't
You cannot do it.
my own child?
You want me to keep shots and crying every day?
Why won't I have my own child? Where is my joy? My joy is...
Tracy, I am sincerely sorry. What I said to you the other day was wrong. I'm sorry, please.
Mandy, you're not supposed to be here. Because you made your point very clear. So what are you doing here?
Tracy, I resented saying that to you. And it can actually make you say a lot of useless things. Please, just find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm truly sorry.
Do you know how you made me feel? I always advise you positively. I always encourage you to have faith that one day you'll conceive. But what did I get in return? Insult. Mandy, why?
I'm sorry. I'm pleading with you, Tracy. You're not single. You have a man in your life, you're engaged. And I know that soon you will get married. Please forgive me. It will never happen again.
Do you know the damage your word cost me? Each day I wake up thinking I'm not woman enough. A lot of things goes through my brain.
I'm sorry.
Your word messed me up. And you are here telling me you're sorry.
I'm sorry. It will never happen again. Please. Truly sorry. I promise you it will never happen again. Please.
It's okay. I forgive you. You know I can never be angry with you forever.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's fine. I forgive you.
My beautiful wife, I understand how you feel. This is our trying moment. Don't let it weigh you down. Trust me, what we are lacking now will later become a testimony. So please, snap out of this mood. I need your love, support, and submissiveness now, like never before.
I have nothing to say to you.
Whose fault could this be? Is it my fault? I want to know. Why won't I have my own child? If not for money, what are we living for, brother? You need to hustle, you need to hustle. There are many opportunities in the city. You must work hard. Nothing good comes easy at all. Hustle hard. Nothing good comes easy. Hustle hard. I give you money today, you chop up. I give you money tomorrow, you spend that. We must reach an agreement whether written or oath. Enough is enough, oh, we must take an oath. We must reach an agreement whether written or oath. We must reach an agreement, we must take an oath. We must reach an agreement whether written or oath. Brotherly oath, I'm less out to I'm less out to
Hello? Who is this? Chukode. Oh, this is not your number now.
Brother, Umazi Amelum 30. I lost my phone days back and I had to buy a new SIM. That's why I'm calling you with different number.
Oh, sorry about that. Chukode. I know you must be in cash now. You abandoned me for 5 good years, Chukode. It's not good though. I saw going to get you for 1 year.
Brother, I did not forget you now. How can I forget my own brother?
This is why you remembered me today. I hope all is well.
Brother, see, there is something very important I wanted to tell you. Brother, see, you know you're my brother now. I want to ask you for just a little, favor of 5 million naira.
You need a favor of 5 million naira. If it is that easy, why are you asking for it? Chukode, listen. Even if I have, I won't give it to you.
Brother, don't talk like this now. Am I not your brother? Brother, help me before I will die. Is it not when I die, you go and start bringing money for burial ceremony? Give it to me now that I'm alive. I said I'm going to pay you back. In fact, double. Or should I make it times 3?
Omaka Wanamame. Have you forgotten the oath we took? Have you forgotten? Please, let's just pretend you never said this.
The oath?
No.
Hey. How am I going to escape from this?
Can I have a little favor of 5 million? If it is a little favor yourself. Man.
I thought I was going to double this money now. Yeah? And betting was just the only option.
I'm telling you this as my blood brother. This is the right time to take the bull by its horn. We have better opportunities out there in the city. So let's go to the city together and seek for greener pasture. That's the best bet for us now. Abi, you like this village where you did the Western?
Yeah. Henry, so what you are saying in essence is that I should follow you to the city? I have a few questions for you.
Okay.
This person that called you, was I the one that he called or you were the one?
He called me.
Okay, that's one. And he actually invited you and not me?
Yes, now because he's my friend.
Then why do you want me to follow you to the city?
Because you're not doing anything in this village. Asia goes on, you know Asia now.
Henry, I cannot stoop so low to go and join you and start squatting in someone else's house. The provision he made was for you alone and not me and you.
Do you know his house? Do you know Larry? Do you know how big he is? Let's get there first. This is the best bet for us. I'm telling you as my brother. Let's go so that we can hustle together in the city. Make money together and everybody will be fine. We'll make our family proud.
You have not gone there to go and see the condition of things. That is only when you can be saying this thing you are saying. You are just, I cannot stoop so low to go and squat in someone else's house. The provision he made was for you alone. Or do you think I don't know how to make money? Must I follow you to the city before I can make money? Very soon, me hit your ass. Just watch. I have my own way of making money. Do you think I'm joking? Ha.
You have your own way of making money.
Watch it now. Very soon, I'll become a very bastard millionaire.
You are broke and proud.
See this one now. This one enters now 2.5 million straight. This one now can enter. Hey! 4.5.
You mean your brother is refusing to join your trip to the city?
Mama, I've been trying to convince Chupode, but to no avail. Maybe you should help me talk to him.
Henry, why are you bothering yourself over someone who is not ready? He is not interested to make something out of his life. Why are you disturbing yourself?
Mama, we can't abandon Chukwudi because of the way he thinks. He's my one and only brother. I must carry him along. He's not just someone.
Are you going to drag him to the city? He has refused.
Mama, if he's just someone, I won't be bothering myself. Your point is valid, but help me talk to him. Maybe you will convince him.
I will advise you focus on your life first. Face your future. Chukwudi is not ready. The only time he will be ready now is when you make money. Once you make money now, Chukwudi will regret all his actions now. Are you hearing me? Better focus on your future. Biko.
Mama, I've heard you. But can you please still talk to Chukwudi?
If that is what you want, no problem. I will talk to him. I will try and have a word with him.
Darling.
You need to hustle. You need to hustle. There are many opportunities in the city. You must work hard. Nothing comes easy at all. Hustle.
Mama, leave me now. Mama, free me. Mama, every time you're disturbing me, baby, you're going to take rope and tie my neck and drag me to the city. I'm not going to follow Henry to any city, Mama.
Chukwudi, tell me exactly what you will be doing here in the village.
Mama, I am going to stay here in the village till I blow. Did I tell you that there is any rule that one can only make it if they go to the city?
I pity your life. Look at yourself. I pity you, Chukwudi. Huh? Hi, have you seen me? Have you seen the same human being you are bothered about? Someone that is not even serious about his affairs in life. Have you seen the stress I am undergoing just to put some sense into his blockhead?
Hey! Mama, this head is not blocked though. If you know the level of mathematics that I have in this head, the calculations that I do in this head is big enough to set this whole state. Mama, I'm not blockhead. If I'm blockhead, you're the one that gave birth to me.
Will you shut up your mouth? One more word from you, I will give you a dirty slap.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay.
It's okay. I never wanted to do this. But you insisted that I must talk to him. Now you have seen a total waste of time.
Mama, you can take a cow to the stream, but you can't force the cow to drink from the stream.
Hey!
He's not a baby. His mind is made up. Allow him now. Let him be. Okay?
It's alright.
As for me, I'm going to the city.
No problem. We don't have a choice. But what I will tell you now is when you get there, focus on your life. Know exactly what you've gone there to do.
Oh, trust me.
Be of good behavior. Of course, I can vouch for you. And my God will always make everything work out perfectly well for you.
Amen.
Oh, nah. It's alright.
Thank you, Mama.
It's alright. Let me see you up.
Chukwudi, brother, please take good care of me. I'll call you when I get to the city.
Let me see you up.
Mama, don't
no, let me see, even if he's at the gate.
You can join him to the city and go and make it.
Shut up your mouth.
Don't worry.
Shut up.
I will blow now. Where is my game? Hey! I am here very soon. 10 million, 15 million. Don't worry. I will look for my game.
Enough is enough. Oh, we must take an oath. We must reach an agreement. Whether written or oath. We must reach an agreement. We must take an oath. We must reach an agreement. Whether written or oath. Brotherly oath. Harmless oath. We must reach an agreement. Whether written or oath. I can't take it again. Everybody on his own. You cannot eat.
Henry, my son! Is this really you? My son! Hell! Namo! You're welcome. Huh? Is this really you?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Who owns the car?
It's mine. One of my cars.
Wait. One of your cars? Hey, Nam! You mean you are the owner of this car?
Mama, you're embarrassing me. It's just a
car. Ha! Odogu Jesus. Nam, you're welcome. You're welcome. Oh. Hey! Nam, hey! Hey! You see? It's alright. Inside. Hey!
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. He said you should bring those things he bought from the boot. Bring them out.
There are many opportunities in this must work hard. Nothing comes easy at all.
Hey, this car.
Comes easy.
This car reached 30 million. 30 million or even more. More, maybe small picking more.
We must reach an agreement with everything. Enough is enough. We must take an oath. We must reach an agreement with everything. We must reach an agreement. We must take an.
You don't need advice from anybody. The only person to advise you is yourself. Are you hearing me?
Mama, see, everything is under my care. Everything is under control. I know what I'm doing. I'm going to surprise you. Just chill.
Chukwudi, please, do not bet. You know that betting? Don't do it again. I am pleading. Should I kneel down for you?
How? Mama.
What is funny about what I just said?
Mama, what you have said is funny. It's funny. Do I look like a kid that I'm going to use a whole 5 million naira to put into bed in this country of today?
Please, my son. Even if it's 1 naira, do not bet with it. 200 naira, 100 naira. Pardon, don't use any amount of money to bet. I am begging you. When you get there, look for any business and do for yourself. Plan business and start doing it. I know the God I serve will surely make it flourish. I know the God I am serving. Huh?
Mama,
please, I'm begging you.
Just chill, don't bother yourself. Like I assured you and Henry. You see, I will surprise the both of you. Huh?
Are you promising me?
Is it not Chukwudi again?
Mama, I trust you. I know what you can do, my son.
Now. Come by, go to that side first. Let me enter there now.
It's alright.
People wait there, they pass me. Mama, let me just start running because of time.
Oh, no.
Mama, chill.
Johnny, no?
Thank you, Mama. Oh. Don't worry yourself. Oh.
If not for money, what are we?
You're a disgrace to this family, Chukwudi. What is your problem, Chukwudi? Chukwudi, I am so ashamed of you. Your brother was so loving to give you 5 million naira to start up something for yourself. An opportunity that people out there are looking for but can't find it. And you got it on a platter of gold. What did you do with it? You wasted the whole money. You lavished your brother's effort because of betting. Because of betting, Chukwudi, you wasted all the money your brother gave to you. Because you want quick money. You want to double the money today, tomorrow, and you wasted your brother's effort.
Chukwudi. What is this nonsense that I'm hearing? What is this nonsense that I'm hearing? That you squandered the last 5 million naira I gave to you on betting. Betting, Chukwudi, 5 million naira. Is it true? Mama?
It's true, ask him. Look at him here.
Chukwudi, you squandered 5 million naira on betting.
See, everything you had is true. What has happened has happened. And I have learned in a very hard way.
You've learned in a hard way. Chukwudi, this is the 3rd time I'm giving you money. Hard-earned money. 5 million naira that I gave to you. What are you people saying? That you did what?
And I don't want us to talk about this now because it might just make me run mad here.
It's better you run mad, my brother. It's better. I will prefer you run mad than waste my 5 million naira. What are you saying?
I want us to talk about a way forward, please. My money and everything is lost. Eh?
Okay. Are you okay? Can you listen to yourself talk? You squandered 5 million naira on betting. The owner of that betting company is your age grade. The owner of that betting company that is eating your money, you are not older than him. He is your age grade. You wasted 5 million naira. You're telling me, okay, no problem. What is the way forward? I want to hear.
If you can just give me some more money now, I'm going to make use of it very well this time because I've already learned in a very hard way. I will double the money. Just 2.5 million. Let me just use an add up.
But working at 2.5 million, do I look like someone that plucks money from the tree? Did I come back from abroad? Do I look like a drug baron? If it is that easy, why can't you go out and make your own money? Mama, you know what? No problem.
I will not be here. Listen, let me tell you. I will not be here. I will not be alive and allow Henry give you another money. Henry, you are not giving this boy, this unreasonable and senseless human being, another pin. You will not give him. So far, my dead body, will I allow it to happen here, in this house? Mba.
Okay. Mama, no problem. I will give him money.
You say?
I will give him money, but on one condition. Okay. I will give you money, no problem, but on one condition.
Henry, my son, I am kicking against the idea of swearing an oath with a deity. My family can never involved in that. Please.
Mama, truthfully speaking, I am not happy with Chukwudi. Nobody squanders money like that. How many times have I given him money? He keeps eating it. But that's by the way. That's the one that they do know. I'm not doing something fetish. We're not swearing before any date. It's not that serious, okay? So relax.
I don't get it. You see, how do you mean? Please?
Okay, look at what I'm trying to say. I will just get a calabash, maybe white clothes, few things that will make it look fetish, okay? But there's no point in it actually. I just want to arrange something that will make Chukwudi more serious. I want to scare him into being useful with the next money I'm giving, okay? But trust me, it's nothing fetish.
Well, the idea is good anyway. But the medium you want to achieve it is what I don't like.
It's our own good. If you just give this boy money again, he will go and eat it. I want to have more food. Do I look like someone that prints money? So it's just something that will make him more serious and scare him into being useful with his life.
I hope it does, honestly.
Don't worry, Mama. Let's try this meeting.
I hope it will change him or make him more serious this
time.
Don't
just go and tell him it's not fetish.
I will not tell him.
They want to give him.
How can I tell him?
I'm not being where you and then nice. Just maintain.
I will maintain.
Aye, Chukwudi Mbadiwe.
Aye, Chukwudi Mbadiwe.
We will never ask you for money again.
We never ask you for money again.
If I ask you for money again.
If I ask you for money again.
May evil befall you.
Say it.
May evil befall me.
Mama, you are a witness.
You don't finish.
Mama, please take good care of yourself.
I will, of course.
Once I get to the city, I'll call you.
It's all right, my dear. It's all right.
You wired me 5 mila.
Huh? It's not you wired me 5 mila. You see that money? It is your last card and checkup. If anything happens to that money, I swear I will not look your way again.
I am super grateful, Mabas. Now my last chance.
But Harry, this is too much. I thought you would cut it half. At least you give him half of it.
Don't worry. Chukwudi, I don't need you to be grateful. Use that money judiciously and don't forget about the oath. Mama, keep reminding him about the oath he took. That's all.
Hey, brother, I am super grateful. Hey! Oluwa bless you again. Thank you.
Make use of that money.
One neighbor challenge me, man. Hey, I think I'm all right.
Safe journey.
Hey! This is my last chance. If I fuck up, I do anything where you like.
talk something, you always match me. Usually you're telling him it's too much, it's too much. Hey! One day can get to.
Listen, let me tell you. Let me warn you now. This one is not Mama. This, Mama, that. Remember the oath you took. And if anything happens to that money, I'm a living witness. I witnessed everything that happened. I'll just go and bury you at the back of that plantain tree. Are you listening to me?
Oh man.
Don't let anything happen. Better be focused now. Start now to plan your way. This one is not Mama. Mama.
The oath. How did I forget about the oath? Hey. How am I going to escape from this? I thought I was going to double this money now. And betting was just the only option.
We must take an oath. We must reach an agreement, whether written or oath. We must reach an agreement. We must take an oath. We must reach an agreement, whether written or oath. Brotherly oath, harmless oath.
Please.
Hey.
I need your help.
Even this one will be 0.5 just because. Just one more game. We can
Please.
win 3.5 million.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. Please.
I
really need your help.
Imagine this one now. Only 2 games. Only. Eh? Hey. You know the game, just they cut. Which kind of temptation come this one now? What I go do take make money now, This country no just. This country don't fail me, oh. Hi.
I'm sorry, my car is giving me issues and I don't know anything about cars. Do you mind to help me check it?
I don't know, but I'll just try. It's not like I'm a mechanic or something.
Oh my god! Thank you so much, please.
I didn't say I'm a mechanic.
Well, you said you would.
Yes, I will just check it. Where's the key?
Here it is.
What was it doing? Like, it's not starting at all?
It's not starting and I don't know what's the problem. And I've never experienced this before.
Do you know where the Kickstarter is?
I don't know anything.
There's a revolver there. Just help me check if it's going to rotate by the time I kick the ignition, okay? Just check that. Check something. the battery terminal. It's not tight on it, on the battery head.
Okay, it's not tight.
Yeah, so I had to press it. Can I help you close it?
Yeah, please.
Whose fault could this be? Is it my fault? I want to know. Why won't I have my own child? Why won't I have...
Mandy, what is going on? You no longer cook in this house. All you do is go out, buy fast food, come back and eat without even asking if I will eat. Am I not talking to someone? Mandy, listen. This is my house. You can't be doing this. You can't be stabbing me. You keep giving me attitude. So you don't care about me anymore.
Same way you don't care about me, Henry. You don't even care about my feelings. So why are you so upset about it? Why?
Are you trying to get back at me?
Yes.
For what?
Stop pretending like you don't know. You know, it's very obvious. So stop pretending, please.
Mandy, I am your husband. I deserve and expect total submissiveness and truth from you.
I have been doing that over the years. But it's not worth it. Yes, so I'm maintaining my peace.
For real? Okay. Peace be unto this house.
She's ready to do what needs. She's a desperate wife. She don't need any advice again. Nobody should tell her to come down. What she needs.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm glad I was able to help you.
Thank you so much. So, what's the name?
My name is Chukwudi.
Oh, okay. I'm Tracy.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
Chukwudi is actually a very nice name.
I think your name is more beautiful and nice too.
Come on, please. By the way, I saw you were soliloquizing when I was having issues with my car. Is there any problem?
Tracy, I was just going through a whole lot in my mind. I was just thinking through so many things.
And what could that be?
I was thinking about my life. It's a long story.
Oh, okay. It's okay. I wouldn't want to bore you with so many questions and all of that. So where are you going to? I don't mind dropping you off. Is the house close by?
I don't have a house. I don't have a home.
How is that possible? What, you don't have a house? How?
Like I said, it's a long story. You know, I just hang around and sometimes I go to the hotel to spend the night.
Oh. I'm so sorry about that.
It's all right.
I'm sorry about that. So if you don't mind, can I have your number?
Okay.
All right.
That's my number.
Oh, okay, that's good. So is that your WhatsApp line?
Yes, it is.
Do you mind if I chat you up or something?
There is no problem.
Okay, that's good. So since you say you stay in hotel, right? I don't mind dropping you off. Is your hotel close by? I don't mind dropping you off. You just offered me a great favor, so I want to return back the favor.
Do you have to stress yourself that much?
Never mind. Never mind. Please come in.
Say so, no
Please
problem.
just come in, please. Is that his open?
Okay.
Stop being shy. Come in.
Maybe you will have to drive out a bit, so I think.
Alright.
Enough is enough, oh, we must take an oath. We must reach an agreement when everything oath. We must reach an agreement, we must take an oath. We must reach an agreement when everything oath. Brotherly oath. us out. We must reach an agreement, whether written or not.
Babe, what is wrong? You look worried. Did anything happen at the office?
Nothing happened at the office.
What is wrong? You're looking restless, so what is wrong?
Babe, it's us. Us.
Us?
Yes.
What about us?
Why is it taking so long for you to take the bull by the horn?
I don't understand.
Why is it taking long for you to marry me? Why?
I still don't understand.
Our wedding. Our marriage. You categorically say that you don't want us to have any intimacy until you're married. You have never made love to me. As if I have an option. And I've been waiting. I am tired. I want us to get married, babe. I want us to get married.
Tracy, I thought you said you sorted out the issue you had with Mandy. I thought you said she apologized and you accepted.
Mandy is not the problem. Mandy is not the issue.
Why are we having this discussion again? Why?
Like I said, there is no time. I am tired of waiting. We are aging. We need to get married.
Look, I've said this countless times. My promotion will come before the end of the year. Everything will be sorted out. I will marry you. Look, I made this promise to you. And it's a promise I intend to keep. I will marry you. Just give me till the end of the year.
Your promotion. Your promotion. Babe, listen. Listen and read my lips very carefully. This is the very last time. I mean, very last time I will have this conversation with you again. And I mean every word. I mean every single word. I'm not joking. It's the last time.
Why is Tracy not home by this time of the night? What could be wrong?
Hello, Harry.
Hello, Mandy. Please, I'm sorry for calling you by this time of the night.
Oh, it's okay. I hope all is well.
Certainly not. I wanted to ask if Tracy is at your place.
No, she's not here. Besides, I've not seen her for a few days now.
Please, do you have any idea where she could be?
No, are you saying she's not at home?
Yeah, she's not, and this is unusual. Tracy doesn't stay out by this time of the night. And I have no idea where she could be. It's just worrying me.
This is serious. Her number is not connecting.
No, I've tried countless times.
Just calm down. You really need to calm down. Keep trying the number, okay? I believe she's fine.
All right, Mandy. Thank you very much.
And I will try the number also. I'll try her number.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much.
Take care.
Good night.
And what sort of question is that?
I asked you a question and you will answer me. Where are you coming from?
Larry, the last time I checked, I'm not a child. Can you stop asking me such questions?
Child or not, where are you coming from?
As you can see, I have more important things to do. So do yourself a favor and stop asking me such questions.
Don't you dare! Tracy, don't you dare walk out on me. Don't!
Larry, what have I done to you? What? Why are you making this house a living hell for me? It's fine. Since you don't want me in this house, you want to make this house a dead zone for me, I will go out there and I'll find peace. And that I will do right now.
You want to dare me?
Hold on, I'm coming. Where have you been?
Tracy, please, Mandy, don't just spoil my mood. I beg you.
What do you mean by that? Larry has been worried about you.
The last time I checked, Larry is not my husband. So why all this worriness?
You two are engaged. Madam, have you forgotten?
Okay. So engagement is now prison, right? Let's go. Let's go.
That's it. Hello? Yes, she's here. She's fine, don't worry. Alright.
I guess you just called, right?
Yes, he called. Where do you think you're going to? Tracy.
Mandy, enjoy that call.
What is wrong?
Trace, I miss you so much. Are you serious? I I just wish I'm in your arm right now. Really? Okay, I think what I have to do here is I have to come over. I want to come over. Alright, no problem. I'll be on my way right now. I'll be on my way.
You know, it did occur to me, but then I doubted. You have been cheating on me all this while. How foolish I am. I'm so disappointed right now.
Please. Please, can you leave my way?
You know what? You've crossed the line. You've crossed the line! Right now, you're going to meet whosoever you're flirting with over the phone.
Fine! I want to leave. Fine! I want to leave.
Just watch me. Just watch me! You're leaving this house this minute. You!
Babe! Why like this now?
After all, I've done for you.
Babe, now, please, please. It's also going to this. Oh, God. Babe, please. Babe.
Leave my house.
Please, calm down.
Don't flirt with that whosoever you're on the phone with. After all I did for you, I engaged you. You have my ring. And this is how you pay me. This is how you pay me. Come on.
I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Wait.
Leave it. Tracy, I don't want to beat you up. I don't want to show you the beast in me. Leave my house!
Alright, it's fine.
Leave my house!
It's fine. I'll leave. I said I will leave.
Leave it.
But wait! I said hold on. You want to check, right? Is this number 7 Bimbo Street? Is this number 7 Bimbo Street? Oh. I think this is my house. Right? This is my house. Oh! So, if you want to throw me out, you never see me acting and they throw that one out. Eh? Lolly? What's that your name again? Is it Lolly or Lolly? So you wanted to throw me out?
Calm down. It was just a prank.
Prank?
I was just pranking you.
Don't touch me. Prank, right? Oh, I could see the seriousness on your face. This was never a prank. Oh my God, my hands.
Come on. Can't you take a joke? It was just a prank.
Oh, I know. I enjoyed the prank. Do you understand? I enjoy your prank. But please, do yourself a favor. Go in there, pack your filthy clothes, and leave my house. Don't touch me.
Listen.
If you touch me, I will get you arrested.
Other couples do this. We see it every day. On Instagram, on Facebook. It was just a prank.
Oh,
Yeah.
also you want to practice on me. Prank! Go in there, pack your filthy and leave my house. I said leave. Go in there, pack your filthy and leave my house.
Come on.
You know what? I said go in there, pack your things and leave. Why? Should I help you? Should I help you? Should I help you? Oh, you lost my check. You want me to pack my things out and think I should do the same.
Come on.
If you touch me, I will get you arrested.
Don't do this.
Please.
It was just a prank. It was a joke. An innocent joke, babe. Babe, it was just a prank.
Take this, your filthy and get my house. Take it and leave.
Don't do this. Come on, it's just a joke. We're getting mad.
Take this thing and leave my house.
Please.
Take out. Oh,
you are trashing my things again. Get out! Get out! Get out! Leave! Leave my house! Leave and leave my house. What impetus? Don't you have atom of respect for me? I kept you in my house. Did you want to? I have because he will lay his filthy hands on me. What? Ask him to leave. I should have arrested him. You bitch!
Now you got you overreacted. What were you thinking?
I don't know. I don't just know. I was so angry. I guess that's the main reason why I overreacted.
Learn to control your anger. Look at where it has landed you. Okay, what's your next move now?
Henry, how could you be asking me that? You know I don't have any other place. That's the reason I'm here. I just want to beg you to just allow me to stay here for a few weeks till I sort things out.
Larry, you don't have to beg me, okay? What are friends for? You are free to stay here until you bounce back on your feet.
Thank you so much.
You don't have to say thank you. Have you forgotten? You once accommodated me. You showed me love in the past. So it's my turn to reciprocate, okay? You're welcome. Come, let me show you.
I still have to thank you. But then, brother, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. But you see the verse, when you come back.
You understand your guy now, okay? I was just being the man.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome to my home. Do you like what you see?
You own this place?
Obviously, it's my house.
Wow.
Yeah. Please come in, come in, come in, come in.
A young lady?
Make yourself comfortable.
This is beautiful.
I know. Please sit. Let me get you something. What would you like to take?
I'm actually not in a hurry to take anything.
It's alright, so I'll join you in a minute.
This gate now will be for cha cha cha. Ah.
Mandy, I've made a terrible mistake of my life. And that mistake has landed me here, where I am. I resent ever doing that. Mandy, please. I know you can help me. Please. Help me talk to Tracy. Just tell her I'm sorry. Tell her to please just find a place in her heart to forgive me. Please.
It's fine, Harry. I already had intention of having a word with her. I'll talk to her, don't worry.
You will?
Yeah, sure. I will.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, ciao. My husband's inability to look my way breaks me. Sometimes I wonder if my nakedness doesn't attract him anymore. I don't know.
Girl, I understand you. I can't even imagine your pain. But don't worry, I have a plan. Calm down.
You have a plan?
Of course I have. What? There is this cute, handsome, hot guy I will introduce to you. I bet you will like him.
I don't understand you, Tracy. Are you trying to hook me up with a guy?
Yes, I am. As long as it's gonna make you to have a child.
Tracy,
please stop that. Yes, hi, handsome. Chukwudi, how you doing? So, Mandy meets Chukwudi. Chukwudi meets Mandy, my friend.
Hi, Mandy. I must confess, you are so beautiful.
Thank you. You don't look bad either.
Thanks, also. Okay, I have to run along. Let me leave you ladies to continue with your chat.
Alright, you go. Chooch.
Alright, have
Chooch.
fun.
Just enjoy.
See you later.
See ya. Yes. You want to swallow the guy? That guy, he's hot. I told you. He's so hot and he's very good in bed. That guy catch you, eh?
You're bad. Tracy, I really do not want to cheat on my husband.
You are not cheating on your husband. You're only trying to help him out to have a baby. And I bet you he will not find out.
So what if it doesn't turn out well?
It will turn out well. Play your card well and everything will be fine. And after everything, we'll pay him off when you are finally pregnant.
Sure. Very sure.
You need to do this. Don't even tell me no. I'm not taking no. You are doing it. I beg you, come off it. Is it a yes or no? Bad girl. Bad girl.
Stop it, I'm not a bad girl.
I beg you. Let's toast to the latest mommy to be. No, mama to be.
That's so quick. Calm down.
Relax. You're about to make me toast.
Yeah, something else.
I'm so happy for you, girl. You deserve it. I can't imagine you starving yourself and not having a baby. Please, please, please.
Larry,
Mama, hi.
have you seen my wife?
Is she not in?
No. And her number is not even connected.
Oh, then she must be at Tracy's place. Yeah.
Maybe. Yes, maybe.
Yeah, she will be there.
Okay. Let me pick up something from the supermarket.
Alright. I'm right here.
So you are the bastard deceiving my fiancé. I knew it! I knew someone was behind manipulating Tracy. I didn't know. Son of a bitch! I said, can you stop? Stop it! How dare you put your freaking dirty hands on my shirt? You have the guts to talk to me like that? You have the guts? I can't watch you call me names, father! Listen, you came out of nowhere to sabotage a relationship that took me years to build. Don't you have conscience? Don't you have conscience? Who I am? You didn't know that Tracy was engaged. We say you didn't know. Take your hands off my face. Listen, I don't know you. And I don't care to know you either. I won't stand here and watch you call me names or not discuss any irrelevant topic with you. I ask you to leave. You are lucky this is not outside. I would have... Get the freaking fucking dirty blood out of this place now! Come on, leave! Come on! I'll deal with you. Get out of this place! I will deal with you. I said get out! Chill. You wanna try me? You wanna try me? Okay, you want to see what I will do? If he was outside, what would you do? Oh, Jesus. Look at this animal! Oh! Idiot! Stop it! I didn't know I left this door open for idiots like you! What the hell is this? What's going on?
You kept me waiting.
I must say I'm sorry. Something came up along the way.
But we're having a great time to meet.
Sorry for not keeping to it.
We had a great time to meet.
I'm sorry again for not keeping to it. I'm here now. Let's go down to the deal.
Alright. There's no time. I will just do the transfer.
Okay.
1 second.
You have nothing to worry about. I'm a professional, okay?
Your account?
Alright. Here it is.
What bank?
Senate Bank.
Chukwuemba by the way.
Yes.
Send.
Not heard any sound yet. Checking my app. Okay, that's coming. 1 million naira.
Yeah.
Thank you. Just give me a moment. Let me freshen up quick.
Right.
Yeah, I'll be with you now.
Tracy, can I have a word with you?
Leave my gate!
Can you just off the car so I can have a word with you?
What is it? What is it?
Tracy, we are engaged. You know that. You want to discard me because of that low life I saw in your house?
Low life. Point of correction. Whatever thing we shared was in the past. So do yourself a favor and move on. You understand?
And you think it's that easy? Move on, you said. You think it's easy?
Of course it's easy. Because I'm so happy and grateful to God that I was able to find out who you are. And I've not made that mistake to say, yes, I do. So please, leave me alone. Leave this place. Daft! Let her leave! I said, leave.
Whose fault could this be? Is it my fault? I want to know. Why won't I have my own child? Why won't I have my own child? Where is my joy? My joy is incomplete. I need help. I'm not here for the gift. I'm not.
Mandy, where have you been? It's a simple question. Where have you been?
I was with Tracy.
Do you expect me to believe this?
I'm not lying. I was with her. She's the one that dropped me home. You can call her if you want.
I'm not here for Bamba. I'm here to have my own children. She's ready to do what me do. She's a desperate wife. She don't need any advice again. Nobody should tell her to come down. What she needs is a child.
Are you okay? You have been so moody since you got back. Is everything alright? Are you sick?
Tracy, I'm not sick, but I have never felt like this before. I mean, I can't even explain how I feel.
What's the problem?
The lady I met today, your friend.
Mandy. What about her?
The experience is entirely different.
What do you mean? Did she pay you well?
It's not about money. It's not about money, Tracy. I mean, the way I felt with that lady, I've never felt this way in my entire life. It was something, should I say, I really cannot even tell.
I can't tell. You need to kill whatever feelings you have for that woman. She's married.
Tracy, I know, but
there is no but. Kill whatever feelings you have for her. She's married.
seriously, I think he's normally enjoying it.
Yeah, boy, you look at me like that. Are you serious? What is it? What is it? Help me now, you see? Babe.
Whose fault could this be? Is it my fault? I want to know. Why won't I have my own day? Why won't I?
So you are pregnant. What?
You! What are you doing here?
Mandy, I can see you are heavily pregnant.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Why do you have to do what you did? You blocked my number, blocked me on all social media platforms because you never wanted me to reach you, simply because you got what you wanted, right?
What are you insinuating?
You are carrying my child.
Are you joking? This is not your child. This is my husband's child. So stop claiming what is not yours.
Mandy, are you trying to play smart? Or you think I'm a fool? I had your conversation with Tracy and I heard it loud and clear.
Girl, you mean you're pregnant?
Mm-hmm. I am pregnant. I could not believe my eyes when the doctor confirmed it.
Wow. So wait. What about your husband?
What do you think? He believes he owns a child, so we're cool. You taught me well.
Oh my god, I am so happy. Finally, my friend is gonna be a mom.
Soon to be mom.
Aww. Please, let's celebrate. Let's celebrate to the newest mommy.
Tracy, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you. I mean, you opened my eyes to this. I'm grateful.
I mean, what are friends for? What are friends for? Right. Cheers.
Cheers to soon to be mom.
Yeah.
I am super excited now. I cannot contain my joy.
Same here. I'm
happy.
So, will you still deny it?
This is no longer your child. We had an agreement. I paid you for this.
When do you think money, it's all that matters? You got me worried. I mean, since I was not able to reach you, I was just worried.
You really have to stop following me around. Stop it.
You're carrying my child.
I have your account details. I'll transfer 2 million naira to your account. So leave me the heck alone.
Money is not all that matters here, Mandy. You're carrying my child. You have my child in your womb.
Why do you want to ruin my marriage?
Oh, no.
Why?
No. Look, I am not here to cause it. I just want to be sure. Just to be sure.
Yeah, we must.
Welcome.
Mr. Mark, who is this?
Hey, what? This is the bastard that took Tracy from me. Brother. Brother, it's me, Chukwudi.
Chukwudi?
Eh?
What are you doing in my house?
Brother, I only came to check after the lady carrying my child. I didn't know here is your house.
Excuse me.
Chukwudi, what
Tell us again.
What are you saying?
She's carrying my child.
What are you saying, Chukwudi? Maybe that's not true.
This is my wife.
His wife.
My wife is carrying your child? Is this some kind of prank? What's going on here?
This is your baby.
It's a lie.
Brother,
This lady here is carrying my child. And that is why I'm here. How could I have known she's your wife? Brother, you got married, you never called me, you never invited me. You only took Mama to town, to the city for your wedding. And I am here to check after my baby.
Baby, this child is your own. Chukudi, what are you saying?
She wouldn't tell the truth because she paid me for the services.
Who is the owner of the child in your womb?
It's your child. It's your baby. I don't know what this Chukudi is talking about. Chukudi, what are you saying?
That's a fat lie. You're lying.
Hey.
Brother, maybe we have to go for a paternity test. That will prove what I have just said to you. God. You're my brother's wife? Come see where
Stop. Why are you doing this? What is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you?
My brother's wife. Come see where here, my brother's wife. Hey!
Stop that. Okay.
Oh, come see where Jay. Brother! Come see Jay.
Hold on, I'm coming. What are you doing here?
Babe, I'm really sorry. In fact, I'm the most senseless person in this world, and I don't deserve you. Please, just find a place in your heart.
Do you just call me baby? Tracy, I loved you. We've been through thick and thin together. You weren't patient enough. You wanted the wedding done on the Durex.
I'm sorry.
Just because of a misunderstanding that you had with Mandy. A misunderstanding. Tracy, you lured your friend Mandy into cheating on my friend, her husband. You made Henry's brother commit an abomination. You are so disheartening and wicked.
Larry, I know no matter what you say or call me, I deserve everything. I don't deserve you. Neither do I even deserve Mandy. Please, for the sake of love, for the sake of everything we have shared, please forgive me. Please. I really missed you.
I forgive you, but just pray that God forgives you.
Thank you. Can we go home now?
Home? Did you just say home? The same home you threw me out of, like I'm nobody. Look, Tracy, I just want to be the gentleman that I am and not throw a fist at you. Get out! Out!
Whose fault could this be? Is it my fault? I want to know. Why won't I have my own child? Why won't I have my own child? Where is my joy? My joy is incomplete.
Chukwudi, why did you allow this abomination before this family? Why?
Mama, it's not my fault. I mean, would you still want to blame me in this one? I never knew that this lady here, it's my brother's wife. Huh?
Chukwudi, it is your fault. Had it been you made good use of all the money your brother wasted on you, all this wouldn't have happened. Chai!
Mama, it's just better you open your mouth and call me a prodigal son each time you keep blaming me. I called my brother here to just ask for more help to see how I'll be able to help myself. And he ended up reminding me of the oath that we took.
Hello? Who is it?
Brother, it's me, Chukwudi, your brother.
Chukwudi. Oh, this is not your number now.
Brother, Umazi Amelum 30. I lost my phone days back and I had to buy a new SIM. That's why I'm calling you with different number.
Oh, sorry about that. Chukwudi. I know you must be in cash now. You abandoned me for 5 good years, Chukwudi. It's not good though. I saw going to take you for 1 year.
Brother, I did not forget you now. How can I forget my own brother?
This is why you remembered me today. I hope all is well.
Brother, see, there is something very important I wanted to tell you. Brother, see, you know you're my brother now. I want to ask you for just a little, favor of 5 million naira.
You need a favor of 5 million naira. If it is that easy, why are you asking for it? Chukwudi, listen, even if I have, I won't give it to you.
Brother, don't talk like this now. Am I not your brother? Brother, help me before I would die. Is it not when I die, you go and start bringing money for burial ceremony? Give it to me now that I'm alive. I said I'm going to pay you back. In fact, double. Or should I make it times 3?
Omaka, Onamame, have you forgotten the oath we took? Have you forgotten? Please, let's just pretend you never said this.
The oath?
No.
Hey. How am I going to escape from this?
Can I have a little favor of 5 million? If it's a little favor yourself. Then.
I thought I was going to double this money now. Yeah? And betting was just the only option. Which made him not to give me any other money. And at someone, a man, how can I be a man with that money? Eh? I had to end up looking for various means, impregnating some women whose husbands are not capable to impregnate them. And I did all that for money, Mama. And in the process, I ran into it. Well, I didn't know. How could I have even known? I mean...
Hey, Amanda here is heavily pregnant for you. Her time is almost due to have her baby. What are we going to do now? I mean, what do we do now? Henry, you are not saying anything.
Mama?
We're
going to go for the wrong cupboard. Modern sperm donor. Chukwudi decided to become a modern sperm donor.
Hey!
What a senseless decision. Whatever reason that made him become this, I don't know. No problem. Once he puts to bed, take charge. It's your responsibility, so enjoy. As for you, Auntie, never see that. You wanted a baby so badly. Enjoy. But this marriage is over.
No!
Yeah, if it's for the baby, it's mine. I'm not ready to marry a single mother. She will end up becoming a single mother. The baby will. It's Mama.
You said?
Of course.
Mandy. You said what? Huh?
How was a single mother?
Oh, you don't want to marry her too? Hey! One. You people should kill me. Better kill me.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.
Vice again. Nobody should tell her to come down. What she need is a child. She's desperate. She's desperate for a child. She wants to be a mother. I'm not here for the gifts. I'm not here for pampering. I'm here to have my own children. Money is not my problems. Money is not at all. I need a child of my own. I'm not here for the gifts. I'm not here for pampering. I'm here to have my own children. I just wanna have my own children. I'm not here for the gifts. I'm not here for pampering. I'm here to have my own children. I want to be a mother. I wanna nurse my